Hi everyone and welcome, and in this video I'm gonna share about how to find the best timing or how to find the best moment, because I've seen that's like a lot, okay, we struggle on okay, when do I do it, when do I do that, or is it the right time now, is it the best time now? And lately I've been listening to Alex Hormozi, a really great entrepreneur, and he talks about 27 things to do if you want to screw your life up, right? Which is pretty interesting. And one thing that he touched on was, okay, do it tomorrow. And that still brings it back to the same point of wanting to find the best moment to do something, because either we don't know how to do it now, we say, oh, I'd rather postpone it for tomorrow or for later because I don't know now if it's the best time to do it. And what I'm gonna say you're probably already aware of, but sometimes we need to remind more than we need to learn new things, is the best time to do something is now. Because think about how many times you have planned to do something, and the moment you started to do that thing, you realize that, oh, I don't know this, I don't have this, and you had to then adapt yourself to that. And I can relate to that a lot, because when I want to travel, most of the time I pack too much stuff that I never get to use, right? I don't know how I do that, but it's the same thing with the plan, that whatever is the way that you plan things, they actually never go that way. You still have, there are so many things that you have to change, to adjust and stuff like that, but you never have known that if you didn't do it. And the point now is to, how do you find the best timing? It's just to do it now. And it really reminds me of a message that I received days ago of a girl that we have been working together. So she has TechnoTutor and we have been working together, and it was just amazing how it has been about 2 months that we've been working. And when we started, she was the lack of self-esteem, lack of confidence, shy. She has trouble of learning. She's dyslexic, so you can imagine the level of stress for her, because to learn she needs tons of time to try to remember everything, and after that she's gonna forget them. So for her it has been a big problem to learn. And because she can learn, because she confuses letters and words, it brings it a lot of lack of self-esteem and a lack of confidence inside of her. So we have been working for almost 2 months, and it's just amazing how she has transformed in between those 2 months. And I received a message and she said to me, I've decided to move out of our family house and to go and find my own place and stay there. I was really amazed by that. And she said, yeah, the people around me that say, no, I shouldn't do that, it's not the best time, I should everything is getting expensive, I should be careful. But she said, I've decided to do it anyway. And she also said, whatever come up, I'm gonna figure out how to solve it. And this is the key. The key is not to be perfect to start something, because that will never happen, but it's you having the ability to trust yourself and know that no matter what come up, you're gonna be able to handle it. This is the key to find the best timing, is who are you as a person? Do you trust yourself? Do you have that self-trust that you know that it doesn't matter what come at me, I'm gonna be able to handle it? That's the best timing. That's how you solve that issue of finding the best timing. And the way you solve it is just to take action now. It's not to wait for tomorrow, because if you wait tomorrow, what's gonna change? What's gonna change overnight that you don't have it now? And also another point that I want to really touch on here is you saying I need to think about it. It's not a matter of, oh, I actually need to sit and think about it. That's not it. Saying you need to think about it, that means there is something that you still don't understand. So next time, instead of saying, oh, I need to think about it, ask the person the things that you are not understanding, because they are actually going to be able to help you to understand those points, and that's going to help you to make the decision, either you do it or not. Never again get into that sphere or into that place of, oh, I need to think about it. No, you need more information. You need to be educated more on that point. And just ask the person what is it that you're not understanding, so that they can bring clarity. Because on your own, you will never, if you don't have any information, you will never be able to understand it, even if you think about it. And most of the time we don't do it. Like, how many times have you said, I'm going to think about it, and then you go back at home, you sit on the sofa and you say, I really need to think about that one. We don't do that. Why? Because we have so many stuff, family going on, like TV, news, Facebook, Instagram, just too much. You don't have that time. So next time, just ask the person, hey, I don't understand this, I don't understand this. Can you explain this to me? That's going to bring you clarity. And with more clarity, you have the best timing. And the other key component is self-trust. Trusting yourself, knowing that, okay, I can figure it out. I can work this through. That's the key to have the best timing in whatever it is that you are wanting to do. So that was it on the point of how to find the best timing. And like I always say, comment, share, and like the video, but mostly share with someone, because you don't know who is actually right now thinking about whatever point, or like, I need to find the best timing, I need to make this perfect, I need to make this work. But they maybe still don't understand that it's never going to be like that, but it's going to get better when you actually start it. Because when you start it, you then see things that you weren't even aware of, things that you didn't even know they exist. But because you did start, now you know them, and then you fix them and you keep on moving. So this is how you find the best timing, and talk to you another time. Bye bye.